In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Presto card in Canada. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All the information necessary for you to set up and use a Presto card in Canada is available on their website or through the mobile app. I highly recommend that you go to their website if you have never used Presto before, and in here you will have plenty of options to help you set up and start using a Presto card in Canada. As you can see, when you go to the website, immediately you will be able to choose I'm new to Presto, and you will have all the information necessary. Basically, all you have to do is sign up to use their services. They will issue you a card that you can load with balance, and when you board any bus inside of Canada that supports the Presto card, you have to present it next to the card reader. It is going to deduct the balance from your account and allow you to board any other buses according to a certain timer. So basically, go to the website and in here get a card. Once the card is issued to you, you will have access to the activation page, so select Activate My Card and input all the necessary details to activate your card. As you can see, you have to sign in using your Presto account or the Presto card itself. Regardless of which option you pick, this will allow you to confirm and verify your identity and allow you to activate your card for it to be used. Once the card is properly activated, you will be able to load it with balance. Once again, this is a process that can be done through the mobile app that you should have downloaded by now or through the website. Simply access the menu, go into the Presto card option and then load a card. By loading a Presto card with balance, you will be able to use the Presto card in Canada anywhere that it is accepted. You have the option to load funds manually, or you can set up auto load, which is going to automatically load up funds. So if you use the card on a weekly or daily, weekly interval, you might want to consider setting them up. Regardless of which option you pick, follow the instructions on screen and you will have plenty of ways to load up the card. You can do it online, which is more convenient, or even in person if you prefer it that way. Select the load your funds and follow through the instructions on screen to have the card loaded and ready to use. When you are ready to board, just present it to the card reader and it should go through if you have enough balance on the card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Presto card in Canada. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.